India Today's viewership super smash.
If you looked at the voting percentage, it was less than 50%.
This is a real wake-up call for the double engine.
Thriller in the election results, landslide for the #1 election channel.
वहाँ से प्रत्याशी जीते हैं उनको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं और मैं यही विश्वास रखता हूँ कि जो बातें कही है वहाँ के डेवलपमेंट के बारे में उसको वो पूरे हों और मैं आज भी कह सकता हूँ कि आई स्टैंड विद द पीपल ऑफ मंडी। जो भी वहाँ की हमने बातें करी है उसको हम सरकार से पूरा करवाएंगे, चाहे वो वहाँ पे हमने स्मार्ट सिटी बनाने की बात रखी है, चाहे हमने टनल्स के इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की बात करी है और जो भी हमने वहाँ के डेवलपमेंट की बात करी है, क्योंकि मैंने चुनावों में भी ये कहा था कि चाहे जीत हो चाहे हार हो हम उनके साथ खड़े हैं और हम आगे भी उनके साथ खड़े रहेंगे और अपने डेवलपमेंटल कार्यों को आगे ले जाने का पूरा प्रयास करेंगे।
जो जगह में हम जीता उसमें हम जनता को कहेंगे दे आर द मैन ऑफ द मैच। हम आज का चुनाव में इलेक्शन कमीशन को जो रोल है हम कहने चाहूंगी कि ये बीजेपी का कमीशन का तरह काम किया। दे आर जस्ट लाइक हिज मास्टर वॉइस ऑफ बीजेपी। जो कंप्लेन किया वो काम किया। हम रिकाउंटिंग चाहते हैं तो नहीं देता है। बीजेपी को क्यों दिया रिपोल, हमको क्यों नहीं देते हैं? इसका मतलब यही होता है वो चालाकी से मोदी का सीट और 10 बड़ा बढ़ाने चाहते हैं। लेकिन प्लीज याद रखिए जो सच होता है वो सच आता है। मोदी जी बहुत सारे पार्टी को तोड़ा है, अभी जनता ने उसको तोड़ दिया।
The country has unanimously and clearly stated we do not want Mr. Narendra Modi and Mr. Amit Shah to be involved in the running of this country. We do not like the way they have run this country. We do not appreciate the way they have attacked the constitution. We do not appreciate the way they have run this country for the last 10 years. So that is a huge message to Mr. Narendra Modi.
All right, more news coming in. Modi 2.0 last cabinet meeting anytime now. It was expected at 11:30 a.m. He is to chair the last cabinet meeting of the second term. BJP also to form the government with NDA support is what it appears as of now. Piyush is getting us more details on that story. Piyush, interesting developments that this is the last meeting, the last cabinet meeting. Just give us a sense of what could be on the agenda.
Well, that is the ritual which, every time happens, Shreya, and that is what we are seeing that it is going to be followed. Today is the last time when the Modi Cabinet 2.0 will be meeting and our dinner will be hosted by President of India. And after that, we can expect the process of formation of next government to begin. But today there are two crucial meetings. Those are going to take place in National Capital. One is the NDA meet, another one is India's meet, for which the leaders of these alliance groups, they have started reaching to Delhi and they will be holding a series of meetings and after that we can expect the president to host dinner for all the cabinet ministers of Modi 2.0.
Piyush, I'm going to thank you for the moment for getting us a quick alert. 11:30 was when the meeting was expected. This is the last cabinet meeting of Modi government 2.0. All right, more news coming in. TDP is bargaining hard. It seeks plum post in Modi 3.0. TDP's likely demands, as per our sources, is as follows. Lok Sabha Speaker's post. Pictures, in fact, right now of the man at the moment, Chandrababu Naidu. These are pictures coming in. He just held a press conference to tell our viewers also at the same time that here is what the TDP boss is demanding. And this from our sources. Lok Sabha Speaker's post is what Naidu is demanding. These are pictures of him getting felicitated right now. road transport, rural development, health, housing and urban affairs, agriculture, Jal Shakti, IT and communications, education, finance. These are the ministries that is being demanded by the TDP. 5 to 6 cabinet berths and also junior berths. Essentially, the ministers of state is what he is in fact asking for. He's bargaining hard. The TDP is bargaining hard as expected, demanding a series of posts in the new government. Pictures of the TDP chief, Chandrababu Naidu, who is also on his way to Delhi. He's just confirmed that he is going to be attending the meeting at 4 p.m. this afternoon, the NDA meeting. But this is the story we are breaking at this hour. Pictures first after TDP chief Chandrababu Naidu has left his residence on his way to Delhi, and also TDP bargaining hard, seeking plum post in the new government. Likely demands through our sources: Lok Sabha Speaker's post, road transport, rural development, health, housing and urban affairs, agriculture, Jal Shakti, IT and communications ministry, education, finance, minister of state is what it is asking for. This in fact is going to be the TDP set of demands that we are picking up from, in fact, our sources. We'll go back to my colleagues for more on that, but this is what the TDP is asking for, bargaining for. TDP is seeking the speaker's post, Lok Sabha speaker's post. Also, these are the ministries that it seeks. These are demands that the TDP is going to put forward before in the NDA meeting. Akshata is getting us more details on that story. Akshata, essentially the list of demands of the TDP is ready as expected. They're going to be bargaining really hard. Akshata, list of demands from the TDP is what we are picking up. Lok Sabha Speaker's post, road transport, rural development, health, housing, urban affairs, agriculture, Jal Shakti Ministry, Finance Minister of State. Essentially 5 to 6 cabinet and Minister of State berths.
That's right, Sneha. This is what we've been discussing from early this morning. That the TDP isn't going to back off, is going to seek its slice of the pie here and putting forth a series of demands. We're hearing that the Telugu Desam Party is going to be seeking 5 to 6 cabinet berths as well as an MOS, and JCC reportedly the finance minister's MOS berth at this point. Besides that, the Lok Sabha Speaker's post is something that the TDP is pushing forward right now for. Let's see, of course, what plays out. Obviously, the BJP will also try to bargain and kind of push down that number. But what we're seeing right now, it clearly looks like this time around the Modi cabinet will have to accommodate a lot more of their allies and perhaps a lot more of Telugu representation, that will have TDP leaders all part of the cabinet besides the Lok Sabha Speaker post. Now, all along, we did assume that if the Lok Sabha Speaker post is something that the BJP is not willing to hand over to the TDP, they will accommodate them with a cabinet berth. With so many 5 to 6 cabinet berths that the TDP is now seeking, the BJP is going to have a tough time really addressing some of these needs, addressing some of these demands of the TDP. Middle ground to me will look somewhere along 3 to 4 berths perhaps. And of course, if the TDP doesn't get the Lok Sabha Speaker's post, they're going to be seeking one of the crucial cabinet berths as well, one of the all-powerful cabinet berths in the Modi cabinet.
Well, absolutely. These are details that we have with us. 16 MPs, and they could be seeking 5 to 6 more berths. In fact, Paulami Saha is with us for more on that story. Paulami, you got us that news about the kind of things that the TDP is going to be asking for in their important meeting today of the NDA, isn't it? Just take us through the details.
That's right, Sneha. We've been speaking to our sources within the TDP. Of course, Chandrababu Naidu is on his way to the National Capital, I beg your pardon, as we speak. That NDA meeting is to happen later this evening. And what we're already learning is that the TDP will be listing out its demands at that meeting. They're looking for some very plump portfolios, ministerial berths, as well as the Lok Sabha Speaker's post. There could be a tussle between the TDP and the JDU for the Lok Sabha Speaker's post. As far as ministerial berths are concerned, what we're learning from our sources is that they're going to seek the Road Transport Ministry, the Rural Development Ministry, Health, Housing and Urban Affairs, Agriculture, Jal Shakti, IT and Communications, Education, and also the MOS position, the role of MOS within the Finance Ministry. The cabinet rank could be with the BJP itself. So these are some of the demands that we expect the TDP to be making at that meeting. Of course, we'll find out after that meeting takes place. But these are the plump portfolios that the TDP will be seeking in that meeting. 5 to 6 cabinet and MOS berths is what we're being told by our sources within the Telugu Desam party.
All right, big developments that Paulamy is reporting on. Paulamy, please be with us. I'll just come back to you in a moment from now. Remember, the JDU also an important alliance partner. Here's what senior leader of the Janata Dal United has had to say. Listen in to KC Tyagi.
स्पीकर की कुर्सी को लेकर चर्चाएं बहुत ज्यादा चल रही हैं कि शायद जेडीयू या टीडीपी दोनों ही स्पीकर की कुर्सी की मांग कर सकती है।
कोई इस तरह की मांग हमारी नहीं है, ना कोई इस तरह का प्रस्ताव है। इतना जरूर है कि हम पहले भी मंत्रिमंडल में रहे हैं और अगर मोदी जी की सरकार की तरफ से जेडीयू को कोई ऑफर मिलता है तो हम जरूर चाहेंगे मंत्रिमंडल में भी रहें और हमारा प्रोपोर्शनल रिप्रेजेंटेशन भी हो।
कोई स्पेशल डिमांड, बिहार स्पेशल स्टेटस, पोर्टफोलियो
डिमांड है। बिहार के लिए जरूर हम चाहते हैं, जो हमारी बहुत लंबी डिमांड है कि विशेष राज्य का दर्जा मिलना चाहिए। यहाँ के बच्चे बाहर जाके नौकरी पाते हैं, काम करते हैं और अपमानित होते हैं। बिहार का विकास तब तक हो नहीं सकता जब तक विशेष राज्य का दर्जा उसको ना मिले।
किंग मेकर की भूमिका में आप लोग आ गए हैं, लेकिन सवाल वही उठ रहा है कि किंग कौन बनेगा, किस तरफ आप लोग रहेंगे, किस पाले में?
देखिए, हम एनडीए गठबंधन के सबसे विश्वस्त, भरोसेमंद संस्थापक सदस्य। इस बार का चुनाव हमने नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में एनडीए गठबंधन से लड़ा है। हम बिहार की सफलता से आशावान भी हैं और प्रसन्न भी हैं, जो नंबर हमें मिला है। और मैं इन सारी अफवाहों को, चर्चाओं को सिरे से खारिज करता हूं कि जेडीयू एनडीए के अलावा भी किसी तरह की सोच के प्रोसेस में। नरेंद्र मोदी प्रधानमंत्री बनेंगे, नीतीश कुमार जी आज दिल्ली में हैं, एनडीए की बैठक में रहेंगे, अपना समर्थन एनडीए और नरेंद्र मोदी जी को देंगे और इसके अलावा हमारे दिमाग में और कोई चीज।
तो आप ये स्पष्ट करें कि आज जो बैठक है उसमें लेटर ऑफ सपोर्ट हैंडओवर कर दिया जाएगा टीडीपी की तरह?
बिल्कुल 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 बिल्कुल।
Very interesting developments when it comes to the JDU also. Paulamy, extremely significant. The TDP has made it clear a while ago that, you know, this is what we are going to be doing. We are going and we are going to be joining hands with the Bharatiya Janata Party. The suspense is surrounding the JDU. What essentially is the JDU going to do is the big question mark here. In fact, I'll go back to Paulamy and the rest of my colleagues tracking this story very closely in a few moments from now. But this is a big developing story that we're keeping a very close eye on. Hectic political activity in the national capital today. At the moment, it's time for a quick commercial break here.
You are watching India Today.